John here again, and I thought I was recording an unboxing video, but as it turns out I'd forgot to press the record button. So as you can see over there is all the packaging I've just ripped off, and here is the box, still with some bubble wrap around it, but yeah, I'm getting old, senile in my old age. Anyway, here's a hint. A Dragon 32. Now I've been trying to get hold of a Dragon 32 since this channel has been going. I've got all the Commodores, I've got BBCs, I've got ZX Spectrums, got the Electron, and there's only two machines that I haven't got, which is the Dragon 32 and the Amstrad. So I was quite delighted when I won this, and the young lady, well, the lady, I can't say young, but the lady that owned it said her son had looked after it while they had it, and it should be still working, so we will find out. But first let's take the bubble wrap off and see what we've got. So it's still in its original polish. Oops. So that's a good thing. Just no Dragon 32 box, but that's no biggie. I've got plenty of boxes upstairs that I can fit it in. So let's have a look. And there you are. One Dragon 32, and it looks in really good nick. It's a bit suntanned, but you know, that's old computers for you. So this is doesn't have a date on it. That's a shame. But it's serial number 856946. It has, on this side, TV RF port, reset switch. It's got joystick left, joystick right, and a tape socket. It looks like it's got an input output port, a user port. It's a bit dirty, but that's alright. Monitor, on off switch, trans supply, don't know what that one is. And on this side it's got an expansion socket. It's a big old machine, isn't it? But the beauty of these machines compared to the Spectrum, for example, was hefty keyboard. The sort of keyboard that you would get on a BBC Micro or the VIC 64. But yeah, I mean, that's in pretty good nick. Just needs a bit of a clean. So now we've got a power supply down there. We've got some monitor cable as well. But I think the power supply is a unique one. It pumps out two different voltage. So it pumps out 8.5 volts at 1.5 amps and 28 volts at 250 milliamps. So it's a pretty unique power supply, so I'm hoping it's going to work. But that's all we got. Now, because I knew this was coming, I talked to my friend at Retro Computer Shack, and next thing I know, I get a proper monitor cable for the TV. So I'm going to use this. I won't use the one that came with the, that looks like it's been around the block or two. So I've got a new cable, and we'll use that, and we'll plug it into the telly, and we'll see if we have any workings. Now, let me just put that cable down for a sec. Let's have a look. It looks like it's been opened. What sort of screws are there? Sort of screws? Oh, posi drives. So I could take it apart and see what happens. Let's do that. Let's see what's inside. So I've never seen the inside of a Dragon 32. Never had a Dragon 32 to see the inside of. What am I talking about? Oh, right. Let's get a screwdriver. Where's the trusted old faithful? There she is. Right. Let's see what's going on inside here. Right. Get the 4 screws out. There's one. Screws are still in. Bottom don't want to come out, but it's coming off. There we go. Look at that. Got this huge case, and that's the motherboard. Look how titchy it is. Look, it's not that big. Just shows you that how they've just laid everything flat instead of thinking three-dimensionally. Yeah, because that motherboard could have been underneath the keyboard, and this power supply. I mean, they've got a power transformer there, and then they've got all this gubbins going on in here. Huge. So we're looking at where are we? Looking at a 6809 chip. Presume those are the ROMs. Not too sure what those two are. I bet that's something to do with input output. But yeah. Alright then, I'm going to screw it back together and we'll get it plugged into the telly. Talk to you in a bit. Bye. Hello, it's me again. Right, we've got the Dragon plugged into the telly. So I'll switch the power on. Let's see. Okay. Switch her on. Oh. Okay. Where's the transformer coming? Yeah, we've got to buzz out the transformer. Oh. I was looking forward to that. Oh right, okay. Right, better get the voltmeter out and test the power supply. I'll take the cover back off and see if we've got any power coming through there. Maybe the switch is faulty. Doesn't feel like it. Let's reset. Where's the reset? There's a reset button somewhere. There. Has that done anything? Nope. Oh. Got a dead Dragon 32. What a shame. Oh well. Well, as you can tell, I'm a bit disappointed. Oh well. Unless someone can help me fix it, I'll have to see if I can get another one. Alright then. It's first disappointment. Never mind. Right, I'll talk to you in a bit. Take care, bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.